Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for creating RSS files from JSON files. You can see on my computer I have this event JSON, and I will be converting it into RSS file, and it contains information about events like some event 1, some event 2, some event 3, start date, end time. And you may have a different JSON file, and it's okay because I will be converting this JSON file into RSS with an app, and I will specify which fields from JSON goes into RSS. So which data, so I will say this will be title or something like this. And so I opened JSON file into Firefox, and you can see how it's showing. I also have a JSON viewer. If I double click on it, it's free app. It's showing what is inside of JSON file. I will leave a link on this app too, so you can see it has information more in table style and more easy to read. I also can export into different formats, the JSON format if you want to. But here I have information about events, and I'm going to use it to create RSS. So to download app, I'll go to my website. I'll click on search and type in RSS. I will leave link on this site into description below. And I will type Json to RSS. Yep. And then click on app page, click on download to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on RSS formats and JSON converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. So here I will wait until archive will be downloaded from Google Cloud and click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSI inside archive to open it and click on more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed to my computer, Json To Rss. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, I will select my input file. So I'll click to select input file. Now I click on my event JSON, click on open, click on next step. Here I can, one more thing, in step 1 I can select multiple files right here. I can add more files, but they must have a same structure. So on step 2, I will be specifying same fields for same JSON fields for same RSS fields. So here on step 2, we have to, on left side, we have RSS fields, and here we have JSON fields. So for example, I want to be title, event name, description, maybe description, link and category, there is no link category, and date, maybe start date time, right? Field title I will do on my calendar. As I mentioned, this will be a calendar RSS. This is RSS that contains information about some events, but it doesn't matter if you have a different JSON, you will have a different fields here, and you can specify anything you need here to convert it to RSS. So main link, I will use link to my website here, just copy. Paste it here, do RSS calendar, copyright whiterocksoftware.com, and that's it. And after all, everything is filled, or I can skip some fields, it doesn't matter, it will be empty. I'll click on next step, and on final step I'll click on run to save RSS. And I can, it's asking me for name of the file. Why is this important? Because I have to be consistent with the file. If I put for example, my feed RSS files on my website or my calendar feed, right? I have to be consistent and name my files in the same way. So when I update file on a server, my subscribers will get data from the same link, because it's probably they have bookmarked this RSS, or they have some kind of RSS reader that have this link to RSS file. So it's important to name it be consistent in naming. So, and click save, And you can see file has been created, and let's go and open it to Firefox. Firefox is showing it nicely, so you can see title, description, and pub date is in here. And if I have my RSS reader, I will see 5 events with not 5, 9 events with all date for specific event. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.